my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Have you ever thought, man, I sure wish that I didn't have to like go to the car wash to wash my car or vacuum out my car? Well, do I got a video for you. Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Shipwright 254, man. Tune in for another one. Like I said, have you ever thought that, man, I sure wish I didn't have to go to the car wash to vacuum out or, you know, do whatever I need. Primarily vacuum. That's what the video is about. Well, do I have a product that you might want to try? Of course, after I show it to you in the video. So, this is my 1986 LS Swap Cutlass. And there's probably been some glass on the floor for like the last, I don't know how long. There's a little pile of stuff right here. So I'm gonna see if this vacuum that I bought off of Amazon can take care of it. So as you can see, it plugs into your cigarette lighter, and then from there you should be able to power it up. It's a pretty long cord. I'm not gonna unravel it all the way, but let's plug it in here. We got power. Let me unravel it a little bit. So I got a little bit of slack. All right. I just unraveled it all the way. Now I got all the slack I need. If I had a large car, then I guess I could take it anywhere. Now this right here is the attachment. It didn't really come with instructions, so I don't know if this is supposed to, I'm guessing this detaches, and then there's like a brush thing there. I guess you have it there if you don't want the brush. So you got like your regular corner attachment, and you got with the brush. So I don't know. My thing is, can it pick up the dirt, glass, etc. that has been in the floor of my Cutlass for I don't know how long. So of course, you know, the larger stuff you want to pick up. I'm not even gonna try to make it do that, but you know, it's this small stuff. I'll probably take these pennies out the way because we're trying to save up. We're trying to save up for race car parts. So yeah, we plugged in, we got power. Looks like it's pretty straightforward, man. Power button, off and on, and then you got this attachment, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna slide this back. I don't feel like I need that part. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. mean, that ain't too bad. You know what I'm saying? That is not too bad. That is not bad at all. What y'all think? So, of course, after you're done, I moved my floor mat from over here to over there because, I mean, it ain't really a lot. It really ain't no fucking carpet over there either, but I don't be on this side. It needs a new carpet, but it's the race car, so we really don't give a fuck. So my initial, so stuff falling out of it. As you can see, there's a little door in there, so that's what keeps, I guess, the stuff in there. And then, of course, when it's down like that, it keeps everything in there. So in order to empty this, you're just gonna twist it off. This top part twist off. Top part twist off like that. The filter pulls out, and then you can take it and you can dump it wherever you please. Preferably in a trash can because keep America beautiful. But I mean, it picked up some trash, man. It did the job. So overall, man, first impressions and review after using it for the first time, I think it could be a very good on-the-go product. It does not have a carrying case, but I'm sure, you know, you could plug it in up on the seat or something, everything like that. So yeah, that's gonna about wrap this video up for me. If you like this, want to grab one, I'm gonna put the link down in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, so you can help your boy out. Like I said, we trying to get this race car money. So it is an affiliate link, you know, I'll get my little percentage. It won't add no price hike to it won't add anything to the price of the vehicle or the price of the vacuum. But you know, if y'all heard about Amazon marketing or whatever, then you know. If you know, you know. But you know, of course, you know, I'm gonna shoot it straight up with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just because it is what it is. And go from there. So this one is made, like I said, this one made by Yantu. I'm gonna put the name or the link in the description box below, and then y'all can go ahead and grab y'all one and help your boy out at the same time. So this has been another one from your boy LSRA254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.